In November 2011, DEC determined that no further action is required in this area. And this and other areas of the site will be monitored in the future as part of the site-wide groundwater monitoring requirements for development, which will be laid out in a site management plan. All right, so I want to introduce David Rigg. David is the lead scientist on the sediment investigation for the Hudson River, and he's going to go over a little summary of what was from there.
Thanks, Ray. Good evening. My name is David Rigg, and I was involved with the development of the sediment work plan, which was done in coordination with the DEC. I actually went out and did some of the field work as well, so I'm familiar with the activities that were conducted out there on the river as part of the 3 separate investigations that have been done historically. In terms of the investigation history, like I said, there was 3 investigations that were done between 1997 and 2006. The overall goal of those investigations was to evaluate the extent of contamination from the historic or pre-1971 industrial surface water discharges. As is routinely conducted with these types of studies, the initial study focused on broad areas of the river and a relatively large list of contaminants of concern. Information from these studies were used in subsequent studies to further refine the areas that we looked at and to look at a more focused investigation that had a more limited number of constituents that we evaluated. It's important that as we did these investigations to remember that New York State DEC does not precisely have prescribed sediment cleanup objectives. Rather, they provide guidance documents for how to evaluate sediments at a site like this. And as described in the documents, where these screening criteria are not met, comprehensive sediment testing and risk management are necessary to establish when remediation is appropriate. And that level of investigation was conducted in the 2006 study. So looking at the 2006 study, the results of the, okay, thank you.